You may have noticed more CBD products available for sale these days. You know, CBD is a cannabis extract that does not contain THC. That's the psychoactive component of the cannabis plant. But CBD has quickly grown into a billion-dollar business, and the FDA is trying to get a better handle on it. So today, the agency held its first public hearing on the matter. Aditi Roy was there in New York for us tonight.
When the Farm Bill passed late last year, hemp was legalized in the U.S. The result was a flood of cannabis-derived products, the most popular of which is CBD, in the form of things like lotions and oils. But today, the FDA's acting commissioner made it clear many hemp-based CBD products must go through FDA approval before they can land on U.S. store shelves. Agency officials heard from company executives, advocacy groups, and researchers. Some retailers like Walgreens and CVS toed the regulatory line, stocking shelves of select stores with less controversial CBD products like topicals and staying away from ingestibles like CBD-infused supplements, food, and beverages, which clearly fall under FDA scrutiny. Others like Walmart and Target have shied away from carrying any CBD products, instead waiting for the FDA to issue regulations, which could include testing requirements, dosage limits, and packaging and labeling guidelines. Former FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb says there are a lot of regulatory issues to consider.
It's going to be hard for regulators to differentiate from the CBD that's derived from cannabis versus hemp. And what is derived from cannabis could have high levels of THC in it.
That's not stopping cannabis companies from betting on the U.S. CBD market, which Piper Jaffray estimates could reach $15 billion in the next 5 years. Tilray plans to introduce CBD products in the U.S. by the end of the year. And Canopy Growth will plant hemp in 7 states, including California, Kentucky, and New York. CEO Bruce Linton says there are a myriad of possibilities for future CBD products, including a sports drink.
I'm talking about a beverage when you go to the gym and you drink it, it should have the intention of making it so after the gym, the next day you're less sore. And if it can do that, then we'll all be a bit more fit.
But first, those companies are waiting to hear from the FDA on those regulations. It's unclear how long that will take. In the meantime, the U.S. Hemp Roundtable, an advocacy group, says it's also working with lawmakers to create what it calls a more efficient pathway for CBD products. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Aditi Roy, New York.